5G networks will need to support billions of devices and machines, as well as millions of network nodes. Existing infrastructure and components must evolve rapidly to handle this massive volume and scale. In this changing environment, ease of deployment and control over total cost of ownership are the top priorities for operators. This is why Nokia has developed ReefShark, a complete new chipset that dramatically eases 5G rollout. ReefShark reduces size, cost, and power consumption at each cell site, while simultaneously boosting intelligence and processing performance. Based on years of AI innovations from Nokia Bell Labs and decades of Nokia experience in silicon and antennas, ReefShark chipsets are made to deliver the highest quality, performance, and efficiency in each network element. With ReefShark, operators can maximize their existing network investments while enjoying the world of new business opportunities that 5G will bring. Nokia, we create the technology to connect the world.